Welcome back. Let's talk about the John Deere X584 lawn tractor. Let's start in the front, we'll work our way back. In the front of this machine, we've got that nice integrated push bumper, nice steel frame that runs all the way down the full length of the machine. Connected to that frame, we've got the 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This thing is a powerhouse, great power plant, really nice machine. It's got the ability to check the oil very easily right on this side. I can also change my oil because I've got access to my oil filter and my drain tube right off to the side. Easy access to the fuel filter, and then easy access to the battery and air filter as well. It also has the nice placard that's got your service intervals right on the top of the hood. Speaking of the hood, let's talk about the design. It's got a nice look to it that kind of looks just the same as all the other tractors in the John Deere lineup. So you can see that tractor lineage coming all the way down through our lawn tractor lineup. Let's talk about the name on the side of it. We've got the X584. So 5 is the series, 8 kind of stands for what the powertrain is and what your engine option, or excuse me, what your transmission option is. And then that 4 is going to designate, like we've seen before in other models, 4-wheel steer. So the front wheels and the rear wheels both steer. As you can see, they're cocked off to the side just quite a bit right now, but all of them steer together. So when I turn those all straight, every wheel is straight, and then I can kick it back out to the side, and you can see that that back wheel is turning as well. The other thing to note is that this is actually a power 4-wheel steer unit. So when my engine is on this tractor, it makes it so that steering is very nice and easy. Additionally, I have the ability to have a hydraulic lifting deck. You're gonna notice there's not a deck underneath this. When I order these from the factory, I sometimes have the option to choose the deck size. So on this particular machine, I can put a 48-inch Accel Deep deck, or I can put a 54-inch Accel Deep deck underneath of it. And so this one just came out of the crate, so I don't actually have a deck underneath it, but it gives us a unique perspective to see actually how far those wheels turn. So I figured we'd shoot it right now and take a look at it. Nice seat on this one, got a great big high back, very well bolstered seat. It's got that cut and sew pattern material that we've gotten used to in the John Deere lineup. Additionally, because it's that X500 series, it's got that wonderful suspension style seat. So it's got a lot of extra padding for me when I'm going along the property. So you can see as that thing just jumps down and cushions me right when I jump into the seat. Looking at the overall control panel, again, just like most of my John Deere lawn tractors, I've got a great digital instrument cluster that's gonna show me RPMs, it's gonna show me voltage, it's gonna show me hours, it's gonna show me fuel, right at a glance, so it's right up in front. It'll also has a myriad of warning lights just in case something goes wrong with the machine. It'll warn you about it. This is a carbureted engine, so I do have the choke. So for cold engine starting and kind of first time starting in a while, I've got that choke, and then turtle to go slower, rabbit to go faster on that throttle, that orange throttle. All right, I've got that mower lift again, so I can raise and lower my deck hydraulically. That in conjunction with my turn knob down here will set the height of the deck. Right here, this yellow button is gonna be the mow in reverse button. So I can go ahead and press that, depress that when I want to mow in reverse. It'll keep my blades going. Otherwise, if I don't press that, that'll kill the blades on the machine. To turn on the blades on the right-hand side, I've got this yellow PTO lever. So the PTO switch here will turn on and off those blades electronically. I've got a park brake control lever, that in conjunction with my park brake on the right-hand side, operated by my foot, will set that park brake. And then I have a cruise control button. The ignition, to turn the machine on and off and to function the lights is right up there as well. So all within easy arm reach. Additionally, right on my right-hand side, I've got twin touch pedals. So just like all the other models in my lawn tractor lineup, all I have to do is press forward to go forward and backwards to go backwards, and that will take me forward and back. just like all my other lawn tractors. So really nice, easy design. As you can see, I've got a lot of foot room in this particular model, and I also have nice foot pads to kind of isolate me from some of the vibration that you can get. Additionally, you're going to see when I get on and off this machine, I've got these nice handholds. So that's going to give me a little bit of extra stability. Another grab on point if I'm going over some tough terrain. It's nice to have those as well. Right here, I've got my 3.3 gallon fuel tank. I have the ability to twist that on and off, and that fuel filler cap is also tethered, so I won't lose it, which is also nice. On this side, I've got a cup holder, and I've got an area for covered storage, which is really great to have if I'm going to carry some special documents with me. So I've got that nice covered area. In the back, I've got the integrated tow hitch, and I have the ability to pull out my hydraulic transmission control lever, and that will allow me to push the machine when the park brake is off. So really nice machine. Thanks for joining me for the John Deere X584. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.